Good afternoon. This is the removal of a catalytic converter for a 1999 Toyota Camry Solara. You can see from there the original one. It's time to come off. A lot of rust. You have 4 bolts. My angle's a little bit difficult here. 1 bolt up there, and on the other side there. Okay, there's 13 millimeters. And then you got 2 here. These are 13, some light there. 1 right there, and 1 on the other side there. Okay, so first we're going to remove these bolts here. These are actually flange nuts. Like almost there. There's 1 right there. Had some prior exhaust work done. This one up here, I have to give it, I believe that's 13 millimeters. So we're going to have to change sockets. Okay, so we're going to slide it up there. That's pretty loose already. I'll loosen that. I'll set the camera down for a second while I get that. Okay, as you can see, we'll finish. So we're almost there. I'm going to slide and get some light over here. And we're going to loosen them now. I'll put the camera down for a second. You will have to use a long extension to get up in there. See if I can get some light. So hopefully that helps. See some light there. So we're going to need a bigger socket. I believe that's going to be 15 millimeters. Okay, let's give this a try now. And there it comes. You can use impact tools. I recommend against that because you don't want anything to snap or to break. I think that's pretty loose. I'm going to reach up there. Well, it's just about done. Let's see. wants to fight with me a little bit, but I figure these nuts have been in there for 20 years, so they're gonna give you some trouble. We're going to come up to here, the other side. I know this angle is going to be tough to see. It's basically right next to it. So we can get some light up over there for you. You're looking straight up. I know it's tough to really see, but we're going to do our best. Looks like that pretty much should be off. Almost. That's it. Now, all 4 nuts are off, so the catalytic converter should come right down. So let's see what happens. Looks like it's hooked onto this bracket right there. There that is, detached. So we're going to loosen that bracket, and that should come down. Okay, stay tuned.